A very good morning to everyone. So, today we'll start with our class with a prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes and repeat prayer after me, okay? Let us take some time to pray. Help me, God, to be kind and strong, to know what's right and to know what's wrong. Remind us all to forgive each other and care for friends like brother and sister. In my work and while I play, be with me, God, throughout the day. Thank you. So, before starting our class, I want to tell you something. Then we'll start with our class. Okay. Now, today's topic is I'm not going to tell you topic now. I want to tell you something. Now, every day when we get up early in the morning, obviously we go to washroom, then we brush our teeth, we take shower, then we pray, then we have a breakfast, and like this our daily routine is there in a series, in a continued order, right? Every day we follow all this, right? Every day we have to get up, every day we have to brush our teeth, go to washroom, take a bath, everything. This is our daily routine, right? So like this, today in maths we are going to do something which is in a repeated series, which is there in repeated series, and the topic name is patterns. We are going to do patterns today. So let us paste this, okay? So today lesson we are going to start up patterns. Now what do you mean by patterns? Pattern means anything, whether it is a object, whether it is anything, whether it is a color, it is a figure, number, alphabet, anything which is in repeated series, which is repeating again and again, that is known as patterns. So let us start. I have few objects, few drawings with me. So I am going to show you. After that, you have to tell me what comes after that. First, I am going to explain you. Is that clear? So first thing, as this is a very beautiful morning, we are going to start with a cute smile, smiley faces, right? Everyone like to smile, no? Right? I like to smile every time. So today we are going to begin a pattern with a smiley. So I have few patterns with me. Let's begin. See, now I have so beautiful smiley with a heart. Can you see this? Right. So I am pasting it here. After this, I have one more. This is a cute smiley, a smiling face. In the morning, a smiling face. So this one is second. Then I have, now I'm teasing you all in the morning. See, tongue out, right? So again, I have one more smiley. Can you see this three emojis? Can you see this? Now first, it is with a heart. Second, it is a simple smiling face. Third, tongue is out, teasing. This smile is teasing you. So this is a pattern, right? So now in this pattern, what we have to do? We have to repeat this pattern again. Now, how we will repeat this pattern again? The first one will come again. Why? Because I have stopped till here. I had this three smiley. I want to show you only this three. So what we are going to do? If we want to repeat this pattern, how we will repeat? We are not going to repeat with the third one. No. We are not going to repeat with the second one. No. We are going to again repeat with the first one. Now, which is the first smiley? Who will tell me? It is simple smile or it is with a heart? Yes, that's good. It is with a heart. So, we are repeating this pattern. Now, as we have to repeat this pattern, can you see again? This is heart smiley. So, this is a series. Again, I am repeating this heart. Now, after heart, what is there? Tongue out is there or smile is there? Tell me. Yes, very good. After this heart shape, I have a smiley face. So again, I am going to paste what? A smiley face. Cute, cute. Next, is it over? No, one more smiley is there with the tongue out. So again, I have this one. So I am going to paste it here. So can you see? First one is like something else. Second one is smiley. Third one is something else. Now this three I have repeated again. This again I have repeated here. Then smiley again I have repeated here. Then this is tongue out. Again I have repeated here. This is known as pattern. Anything. Pattern can be in anything. It can be an object. It can be like smileys. It can be any drawing. It can be numbers, it can be alphabet or letters, anything which we are repeating, that is known as pattern. So this was our first pattern. Next, what we are going to do is next, okay, this my name start with S. So with the letter S, we are going to do the second pattern. Now, see, I have this letter S. Can you see this S? So many of you may be there here with the name S, right? So this is for them. Now I have pasted this S here. Now, after this S, I want a mirror image for this. What do you mean by mirror image? Now this is S, तो S का जो उल्टा हो गया है. Can you see? This is not a proper S. This is mirror image for the S. Now I want to show the pattern of the letter S and the mirror image S. So I have pasted it here. Can you see? This is opposite. Both S are opposite. This is proper S, the letter S, and this is the mirror image. Now what we are going to do? We are going to repeat this two patterns. So if I have to repeat this pattern, first thing, proper letter S, we will paste it here, or a mirror image. Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Yes, absolutely right. First is S. So we are going to put here S only. That's good. Next. Now, this S we have pasted here. What come next? Mirror image will come or simple S will come? Yes, absolutely right. As there is mirror image, second one is mirror image. The in repeated series, we are going to repeat this S here. Now mirror image S we are going to repeat here. So can you see this mirror image of this S? Now again few two more I have. What I have to do? Which should I paste? Now can I paste here? The mirror image? Is it right? Is it right? Tell me. No, why it is not right? Because after this mirror image, again the proper letter S will come. So we are going to paste the S. Now after this, again if I have to repeat, I will repeat with the mirror image of the letter S. So like this is our pattern for our letter S. See, can you see this is letter S, mirror image, then letter S, then again mirror image, then letter S, then again mirror image. This was the pattern. This was a repeated series for the alphabet for the letter S. Now, in this, we have colors also. We can do it with colors also. Now, I have few flowers with me. Now, can you see this beautiful flowers? Can you see this? Yes, this is which color? This is orange color. So I'm pasting it over here. Can you see this? Yes. Now after orange, I would like to take red color. Yes. So I'm pasting it here. I have 6 flowers with me. I have 6 flowers with me. Now what is this? Wait, I will show it to you. Which color it is? Yes, this is yellow color flower. Now, can you see all these flowers are same? Size are same, shape same, everything is same, but what is different over here? Yes, colors are different. Can you see? This is orange color, this is red color, and this is yellow color. So pattern can be in anything. It can be in colors also. So what we have to do, if I have to repeat here, can I repeat again with yellow color? Can I repeat with yellow color? Say yes or no. Someone said no. That's very good. Okay. So can I repeat with red color? That's good. No. Why no? Because this pattern, it started with orange color. So if we want to repeat this as a pattern, as a repeated series, we are going to start with orange color only. Yes, we are going to start with orange color. So I'm pasting orange color. Yes. Now after orange, which color will come? Yellow color? Say loudly. Yes, that's very good. No. Yes. Which color will come? Red color. That's very good. So red color. Now, is it over? Is it over? No. Why no? Yellow color. That's very good. So for our color, our pattern is over. Why our pattern is over for this color? Because I have this 3 color flowers only. So I have to repeat this 3 colors only. So we have repeated yellow color, orange color, red color, yellow color. Then again orange color, red color, and yellow color. If I would have more color, then we can do with more color, we can paste with more color, right? Now this is over. Now smiley is over, letter S is over, color is over. What else we can do now? What else? Okay, as this is maths period, we can do this with plus minus. Addition you have done subtraction, right? So like that, what we are going to do? We are going to do this in a symbol of addition, subtraction, right? So I have, you have to tell me which sign it is. Which sign it is? Say loudly. All of you know this. Yes, absolutely right. This is plus sign. And tell me when you use plus sign, in which topic you use? That's very good. In addition, you use plus sign. So this is what? This is plus. Now we want more. We have to create a series. We have to create a repeated pattern. So one more I have. Which sign is this? Who will tell me? This is in purple color. Which sign it is? Tell me loudly. Yes, very good. This is minus. Now in which sum, when you are doing which sum, you use this minus sign? Tell me loudly all together. I want answer from everyone. Right. This minus sign we use when we solve our subtraction sum. So again I have one more minus sign. Now after this, what you all know tables, right? When you all are doing tables, which sign you all are using? Who will tell me which sign you all are using? What is this? X. Okay, X. What else? Tell me. You use in table. What is that known as? This. Yes, this is a sign of multiplication. When we do multiplication, we use this sign. So, this is a sign of multiplication. That's very good. Okay. Now, when you are doing plus sum, when you are doing minus sum, when you are doing multiplication sum, one important thing you use in between this. What's that? When you are writing your answer, when you all are writing your answer, something you are putting before your answer. What is that? Can anyone tell me? This sign. Yes, this is equal to sign, right? You use this, no, is equal to sign. So this pattern now, this pattern I have this much only. What is this first one? Plus. Second one minus. Third one, what is this? Multiplication sign. That's very good. And fourth one is equal to sign. Now, if I have to repeat this pattern, what should I do now? Who will tell me? Can I start with the is equal to? Can I paste this is equal to here? No. Why no? I can do it. No. It is my wish. I can paste anything. Then tell me the answer. That's very good. Why? Because first one is plus. As this is pattern, as we are doing patterns, as we are doing repeated series, the first one is going to repeat. As we have ended with is equal to sign, we cannot start with is equal to sign. No, we cannot start with multiplication. Wrong. We cannot start with minus. Wrong. Absolutely right, Afshin. We can start with plus sign. So this is the pattern we are going to follow. That this plus will come again. Yes, that's very good. Now after plus, I can't paste equal to, I can't paste multiplication. Why? Because after plus, what is there? We have to follow the sequence. We have to follow the order. So after plus, that's very good. Wow. Minus. That's good. Now after minus, which sign? Who will tell me? After minus, which sign is there? Yes, it is multiplication sign. So this is So is it over? Our pattern is over? Over, no? We can stop here. No, why it is not over? Because 1 is equal to sign is remaining. So we have, if we want to complete this pattern, if we want to complete this repeated series, we have to add this one also. Then only our pattern is complete. Plus minus multiplication is equal to. Plus minus multiplication is equal to. Right. Next, one more we can do. What we have done first? We have done smileys, that is like object. We have done alphabet S, then colors, then sign of your maths. As we are doing maths, so we have done this pattern for maths. Now, numbers. You all know numbers, right? So we have two numbers with me. Now, in numbers, you know, we can follow patterns. Two types pattern we can follow with number. First, I will show you with this. Now, can you see which number is this? Tell me loudly. That's very good. This is number 1. Okay. What comes after 1? You all know this, right? That's very good. 2 comes after 1. What comes after 2? Yes, this is basic maths. You all must be knowing, right? Still, teacher is asking you. Now, after 3, absolutely right. 4. After 4, yes, 5. After 5, 6. Now, children, listen carefully. We have done till 6 now. This pattern we can follow till whichever number you want, because it is not a repeat. It is what we have done. We have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 I have stopped. If we want to repeat this, I can again start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now, one more thing is there. Now, in this, what we can do, one more thing is, you can repeat this series with table form also. With which form? Which tables form also. Now, which number is this number? Absolutely right. This is number 2. Suppose I have written here number 2. Okay. Now, after number 2, which number should I write? Yes, I have this number. Which number is this? Tell me. Yes, very good. This is number 4. Now I have pasted here number 4. Now, can you see this is not in a sequence like 1, 2. It is not like that. What I have pasted first, I have pasted 2, then I have pasted 4. So, here there is a difference between the numbers. Which table it is? Why after 2, 4 is there? Because it is a table of 2. So, in this, we are going to repeat the series for the table of 2. That's very good. So, what is this number? This is 2. So, 2 twos are 4. That's very good. If 2 twos are 4, what comes? What is 2 threes are? Who will tell me what is 2 threes are? That's very good. 2 threes are 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Now 2 fours are what? Yes. Tell me what is this? 8. So 2 fours are 8. And what is 2 fives are? Yes, 10. So this series we can repeat with what? We can repeat with tables also. Here it is 2 table. We can repeat with table 3, table 4, 5, anything. Or we can do with plus addition also. Or my subtraction also. Any form. Whatever sign is given, no, from this any sign we can do the repeated series. So I think so you all must have understood that what do you mean by pattern. So what do you mean by pattern? Pattern means a repeated series. It can be with anything. It can be with object. It can be with alphabet. It can be with color. It can be with a sign. It can be with numbers. It can be with anything, anything. Now, have you noticed one thing? Who have noticed one thing? This lesson name is patterns, right? This lesson name is pattern. Can you see in pattern also something is repeated? Who will tell me what is repeated over there? Proper, it is a proper series. What is repeated? Can anyone tell me? Just observe that carefully and tell me what is repeated in that patterns. Yes, absolutely right. What is repeated? I have repeated here colors. Can you see this? P is purple color, A red, blue, green. Then I have stopped here. Then again I have started with a color, that is first color, purple color, then red color, then blue color, and last one again with green color. As this is a pattern, in the topic also teacher has repeated patterns. Understood? I hope you all must have understood this pattern clearly. Now what we will do, just we will revise this through PPT. Okay. Okay, so the topic is patterns, as we have learned this now, and it is prepared by me, Shagufta Sayyed. Next. So, what do you mean by pattern? Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, colors, numbers, etc., etc., are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. As I have taught you right now, just before this PPT, that patterns are repeated over and over again. Next. Now here we can see the patterns. The first one can you see in red color with the big eyes. That is shapes. The first one is circle, second one is square, then again circle, square, circle, square. This is a repeated series for shapes. Second one, can you see this alphabets? First one is A, B, C. Then again this is repeated A, B, C. This is series for alphabets. Next. Can you see this animal is cute? It is right. So how this is repeated? Can you see this is a change in this? There is a change in this. Tiger, tiger, then elephant and lion. Then again tiger, tiger, elephant and lion. This is a repeated series for animals. Next, it is a repeated series for a table of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so on. We can continue. Next. Now, there is a color of a flag, of a national flag, right? Orange color flower, then white color flower, then green color flower. Again, this is repeated, orange color flower, white color flower, and green color flower. Right, now next, can you see a sign of the arrow? That arrow, it is going toward left, then right, then up. Again, this three are repeated. Left, right, up. Next. So, thank you. I hope you all, okay. So, kids, what you have to do is in your textbook, page number 44, what you have to do, you have to solve that patterns, right? You are going to solve this patterns in textbook itself. Can you see this here? Alphabet, sign, everything is there. So page number 44, you have to solve in your textbook itself. I hope you all have understood this lesson, this pattern very clearly. Is that clear? So for today, our lecture is over. Our lesson is finished. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.